Yeah, so my name is Vijay Ramanaidoo, and I'm the Managing Director of Ahimsa the Vegan Cafe. I've got a couple of other roles. I'm chair of a charity as well as looking after the specialist clinical biochemistry laboratories at Charing Cross Hospital. But in terms of this particular role, yes, I'm the Managing Director. And Ahimsa the Vegan Cafe, as the name implies, is a vegan cafe. So this is a quick serve, healthy, affordable vegan food option. So that's a kind of model that we operate in terms of trying to bring veganism and especially affordable vegan food to the masses. Yeah, so I'm the managing director of the company, but we have 4 other directors. Sometimes when you're trying to make decisions and there's quite a few people involved, it can sometimes make it a little bit tricky. Each one has their strong opinions. And although we felt that we had a really great product, so really good food, and we were pretty successful, but we felt that on the sales and marketing level, we could do with some refinement. And in addition to that, just trying to refine some of the offerings, trying to look at whether we're doing too much or whether we're doing too little, how we can sort of optimize some of the offerings that we're doing, whether that's breakfast, lunch, dinner. And so having a consultant on hand in order to clarify, to guide, and also to help prepare for expansion was what we wanted to engage Peter for. Yeah, so first of all, Food Motion came along, and Peter was the main person that we were dealing with. And he basically sat down with us and wanted to find out from us exactly what the issues were, what we wanted from this process. And he came up with a comprehensive plan. And he spent some time within the cafe looking at all the different aspects of the operation. And then he worked with us to try and optimize that. And also he looked at the branding side. So looking at our logo and our website and our Facebook, etc. So he oversaw the development of the website. He helped us get somebody involved with regards to the Facebook and the Facebook marketing. And he optimized the processes, changed some of the menus, tried to refine the concept of what Ahimsa the Vegan Cafe stood for, whether it was a sit-down meal or whether it was, a grab-and-go type operation. And by doing all of those, he kind of really helped us to clarify our thinking and become more commercially successul. Well, some of the achievements, I suppose, is refinement of the menu. So we had a really a much better menu. We also reduced some items that were not selling too well because it was felt that those were not adding value to our offering, and also wasn't very economical. We got a new website out of it. We got a new logo, signage, new menu. I think Peter's a very easygoing guy. And easygoing doesn't mean laid back. He's a friendly guy to work with, very respectful of your opinions, always willing to listen to you and take on board some of your ideas. And if there's something that you disagree with regards to the approach, he's happy to talk that through and very patient in terms of explaining the reasons why certain things should be done in a particular way. And I found that really, really useful because sometimes I disagreed with certain aspects, but then he kind of clarified exactly why we should do it this way. And really once he clarified it and we understood, then it made sense. But then there were some issues which maybe we didn't completely agree, and then he was happy to kind of modify his approach and then kind of incorporate the ideas that we had as well. So very flexible, very friendly, very easy to get on with. And also one thing I really like about Peter is very responsive. So the process took a little bit of time, and I think we weren't helped by lockdown approaching. So I think in terms of the website, we got really good feedback on the website. In terms of the new logo and the branding, again, some very, very good feedback on that. In terms of the menu, yes, so good feedback from the customers on the menu. And in terms of increased sales and sort of reducing our costs, we got to see some benefits pretty quickly, actually, as a result of that interaction. During the support process, I felt very comfortable because we had regular meetings and our interactions were always very easygoing, very friendly, but very constructive. So I felt supported. I felt able to give my opinions and let others give their opinions as well, and felt listened to. We never felt rushed. So I think we felt, I would say, in summary, very supported and listened to. I would say go for it. I mean, if you feel that there's areas of your business which require a bit of work, I would definitely recommend Food Promotion, and in particular Peter. He's a great guy.